Now that we set up our station, let's go ahead and learn how to hold the knife. So I have 2 different knives here because I want to show you the different kind of finger guards that each one has. So this one is completely straight, whereas this one has a little bit of a curve. So I like on chef knives this particular brand because it holds my finger very tightly. The other 2 hands is going to be right on the handle. Now you want your index finger to hold the heel of the knife, as well as your thumb, it needs to do the same on the other side. So by you holding the blade like this, you create a lot of stability. This part of your finger right here is going to go on the spine. Now, what I want to point out is that when we're cutting, you have to let your wrist be loose. You don't have to grab the knife very tight. As long as the knife is sharp, it's going to be easy for you. So make sure you keep your knife sharp. So keep your wrist flowing and your shoulder relaxed. So I love this grip. I'm gonna show you some grips that are not good and they're very, very dangerous. So sometimes people will hold the knife right at the handle. So I'm gonna show you what that does. Once you put it down, the knife cannot be controlled as well as with the other way that I showed you. It's actually extremely dangerous and very easy for the knife, if it hits something hard, to slip and cut you. So I don't like that grip. Now the next thing that some people do is that they put their finger right on the top here. When you put your finger like that, it creates a lot of tension here on your forearm. So, and also it doesn't give you a lot of movement. So this grip is the best grip that you should have. Try it out. I also want to show you how to hold a paring knife. So the paring knife has a little bit of a curve here as well, just like the big one. So you could put your middle finger right here. Again, your thumb and your forefinger will go right on the blade. So this will be good if you're cutting something on the cutting board that is super small, such as a garlic clove. Paring knives, however, usually are not used for a lot of purposes on the cutting board. They're mostly used to peel something. So when you want to peel something, just bring your arm a little bit higher and the finger will be placed on the spine of the knife, and usually the thumb is going to be like a guide. So if you're peeling something, your thumb is usually as a guide for your paring knife, and that will keep you very safe. Now that we learn how to hold the knife, let's go on the next lesson to learn what we're going to do with this hand and our body.